Outreach Thursday, baby. Let's roll. Today we're on Bank Street. It's rainy, it's cold, it's wet, but we're still here. We do this every week, rain or shine, 10 businesses. Let's go. Hi there, nice to meet you. I'm RJ, this is Vincenzo, and we run an Ottawa-based media company. And we just wanted to stop in today, introduce ourselves, and give you our card. And we'll set our stuff down over here, and we'll get going. Okay, so right now we are 1 for 4. Yeah, I got pretty unlucky. I mean, the weather's bad. It just seems like it's a pretty rough day. Let's keep going. Greek souvlaki. Kind of love that, actually. That's pretty cool. I kind of love that. Hi. Oh boy, another no. Let's try this. It's a cool place. Very World Cup themed. Okay, that's all right. Okay, good to know. Oh man, that's it for this week's Outreach Thursday. We went to 12 places, so 2 more than most weeks, but only got 2. We keep moving. See you guys next week.